To Creative Nerds. In this Photoshop tutorial, we're going to share with you how you can create an authentic tattoo effect and apply it to somebody's body using Photoshop. So we're going to start off by dragging in our tattoo illustration, and then we're going to scale it down so it just covers the majority of our model's back. Once we're happy with that, we're going to select enter, and then we're going to change the blend mode of the layer to be multiply. And then we're going to create a vector mask on our layer. And then we're going to select the eraser tool. And we're simply just going to remove the elements of the tattoo which are overflowing. Just going to make our brush a little bit bigger. And we're just going to softly just erase over those areas that are just overflowing over the body. So we're just going to go all the way over and do it for both sides. It takes no time. And then you'll notice also that the illustration is slightly over the clothing fabric. So we're just going to remove that using the eraser tool also. Just going to quickly do that. And then there's some at the top, so we're going to remove it from there also. And there you go. We've applied an authentic tattoo effect to somebody's body in Photoshop. Hope this is a useful tutorial and it's one that you can use in your future projects. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerds for further quick tips on how to use Photoshop.